On the stage, covered by 1 million cameras, is a prancing Elon Musk gripping a chainsaw. I don't know if you caught that picture, all over the country. He was on, I don't know what the occasion was, but he's up on a platform, a speaker's platform, holding a chainsaw. And the point was, I'm taking a chainsaw to the waist in the federal workforce. So Americans saw the richest man on earth taking a chainsaw to rip the jobs away from tens of thousands of working people. I mean, if a student portrayed such a story in a class on public relations, I'd say, I'm not just going to give you an F.